Hello friends, today we learn about the structure type of data, the structured data, right? So structure is a very important part in C language. So structure is basically a user defined data type. That means we can create our own data type by using a structure. Now we can create our own data type. We have already used the inbuilt data type, the integer, character, float, double, etc. Like now, this is the time to create your own data type. So structure provides this facility to user to create their own data types, right? So how can I define the structure? The structure in C is a user defined data type that can be used to group different data types into a single type, right? And the struct keyword is used to define the structure. So let's check our example. I need to create a data type that name is student. So how can I write that? Now struct student. So this is the data type, user defined data type. But see, if it is data type, then it will, occupy memory also. For example, we have already learned about integer. So integer is a data type and then integer and a variable. So identifier of the data type in this program. So A is the identifier which will represent a value. So this is the data type. So integer variable can store only one integer value. Now check integer array 5. What it means? We already covered all these things, right? So this is the ARR, the name of the variable ARR, which size is 5. That means it can store 5 integer value, no other values, right? So now we are finding out such a data type who can store one integer, one characters, one float, one double, one character array, right? Anything. Getting my point? So this type of data type, because this is totally depends on custom, right? So custom type of data we need to create. That means we need to use struct. So we are going to create a data type which name is struct student. So this will be the data type. So that data type we are going to create. So after creation the data type, then we'll create the variable for that data type. How to create? See, this is data type integer, but we are trying to create a data type named student, right? So this is the name of the data type student. Just use struct keyword before the name. So this is the struct student, right? You cannot avoid struct. Struct student is the user defined data type, and it is a group of one, two, three variables, right? Or three data types, you can say. So my student user defined data student, it holds three data type, one integer, one character array, and another one is a integer age, right? So these three data will hold. So you can put so as many as you can put over here. Got it? So we are taking only three types of data. See the different data: integer roll number, then a character name array, and then again integer. So later on we'll check with the float value, right? Finally, when we put the semicolon over here, that means in this line, compiler will have a new data type. The data type name is struct student. Now we need to create a variable for that data type. So what is the name of the data type? Struct student. Let's see. So this is the data type and the variable name of that data type is S1. So you can put any name over here. Again we compare integer A. So if I write integer a, that means in the memory a will occupy 4 bytes of memory. Okay. Now this is a data type and this is the variable. So how the memory allocation will be? So we can take a look. See, I have already created this picture. See, this the wrapper name is S1. You can check. So S1, inside the S1, the members are roll number, S1, inside the S1 name, inside the S1 age. So S1 is our variable in our application, but in this inside this S1 there are other three variables: roll number, name, and age. So we can say the roll number, name, and age are the members of S1. So S1 is our wrapper variable, or yes, you can say, or parent variable, and these are the child variable. You can say like this way, right? Now S1 dot roll number. So S1 dot roll number, that means you are accessing this 4 bytes block roll number. S1 dot name, that means you are accessing the name variable inside the S1. S1 dot age, that means you are accessing the age inside the S1. Got it? Okay, let's back. So I think this is clear, right? So I have declared a variables. Let's check this variable is here. So after variable declaration S1, so I have to put the value of S1. So how? So direct you can put like this way, right? So just remove this line I have already written for you. So this is the one type. S- Struct student S1, and I need to put direct value. See the roll number, name, and age. So the sequence you have to follow if you go through this process. So I am putting direct value while creating the variable, right? Assigning the variable directly. So roll number, that means 1, name, that means name, age, that means, right, 50. So all these things are done. I need to print all these things, right? So here is a line you can check. See, roll number equal to percentage D. I am trying to print all the three members in a single line. And this is my one type of caption type of things, and a display text. Roll number colon percentage D, name colon percentage S. Why S? Because name is a character array, right? As a string. Then age colon percentage D and slash n. But what is this percentage? This should be the roll number. This is the name, and this is again the age. Okay. So I have to use. So if I want to print the roll number inside the S1, so what will be my access variable? S1 dot roll number, right? What will be my access variable for name? S1 dot name, and for age S1 dot age. So right, so let's check this program. See the roll number 1, name Kamal, and age uh, 15, right? What we put. So this is a way to put, but this way you see this is a in between, in the middle the name is in middle, right? So here I put middle. So the sequence you have to maintain. So the another one you can also use. So this one is a you can say better one. Second one is the better. So it will take time to write down all this variable name. So what I'm doing over here, S1 equal to roll number colon 1. That means I am putting 1 to the roll number inside the S1, right? And then name, this name, and the Kamal, and the age 15. So here uh, you can avoid the order also. So you can put the name first and whatever, right? So because you are specifying the variable name, so this one is a better one. And the third one, right? So third one means this way. You just declare the variable s1, and now separately you can put value s1 dot roll number equal to, and s1 dot age, and the Kamal, that is the name I want to copy into s1 dot name. So str copy, because we cannot directly use this thing, right? So this way it will not be accepted, right, this way. So this will not be accepted. You can check, there is an error, right? So we are going to uh, copy this name to s1 dot name, means we are assigning Kamal to s1 dot name, right? So this is the another way to assign value. Okay, now let's check. Okay, see, roll number, name, and age, so everything is there. So here I tried to show you how to declare a user defined data type named student, and how to, the create that data type with the roll number, name, and age members, and how to deal with the members value. Another way you can also, so you can put user value, right? I mean, the dynamically you can also put. So how you can put dynamically into that variable? So for that we need to scan. So what we will do? Printf enter roll number, right? And caption close scanf, which type of value roll number hold, that is a percentage d, and where we need to put this value s1 dot roll number. Now check s1 dot roll number. So this is the variable name, but at the time of scan, what we need actually address, and so we will put the address, right? Because this is the variable name, right? So scan done, and then we'll just copy this thing for name and for age as well. So let's change the caption name. Now here what I will do, name. But the name is a array, right? So name is a array, 60 size 60 array. So in the array, because array name itself a pointer, the name has the the base address already it has. So we don't need the uh, address sign over here, right? And which type format specifier, that is percentages. Got it? And now enter age. Age is a normal variable, integer variable, so we need address sign over here. So what I will do over here, age. Dynamic insertion is done. Let's check. Enter roll number 101. That is the roll number. Enter name. Dip. Enter age 20. Let's check. Roll number 101. Dip and age 20. Got it? In this program, we just declare a normal structure, how to create a structured data, and how to put the variables value inside the structured data, right? For the members. Okay, that's it in this lesson. If you like this lesson, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care.